Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document on your Mac. Signing documents digitally is incredibly convenient and saves a lot of time. We will focus on using your Mac's native preview application, which is pre-installed and readily available. You'll learn how to create a digital signature, place it onto your PDF, and then save and share your completed document with ease. Let's get started with the simple steps to streamline your workflow. To begin, open any PDF in Preview and locate the markup toolbar icon, which resembles a pen tip in a circle. Click it, then select the Signature tool. You have 3 excellent options to create your signature. Use your Mac's trackpad to draw it, hold a signed piece of white paper up to your camera, or even sign directly on a connected iPhone or iPad. Once you've captured your signature, click Done, and Preview will save it for all your future signing needs. Now that your signature is created, adding it to a PDF is straightforward. First, open the PDF document you wish to sign in Preview. Again, click the markup toolbar icon and then select the Signature tool. From the drop-down menu, simply choose your saved signature. It will instantly appear on your document. You can then easily drag it to the precise location you need and adjust its size using the corner handles, ensuring it looks just right on your form. Once you've placed your signature, it's automatically embedded into the PDF. To ensure all changes are permanent, simply go to File in the menu bar and select Save. If you prefer to keep the original document untouched, you can choose Save as to create a new, signed version. After saving, you can effortlessly share your signed PDF via email, messages, or any other preferred method. Always take a moment to review the final document to confirm your signature is perfectly placed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.